Welcome to Python Uncovered. Today's lecture is the last lecture of this course, which is stack versus heap memory concept. So, whenever we write a Python, I told you in previous lectures, in the first lectures, beginning lectures, that every Python code, every variable will store in a memory, right? But within a memory, there are two different memories. How the Python actually stores the functions, how the Python stores the variables. So those two memories are stack and heap. So what is the difference between stack memory and heap memory? So stack memory stores the function call information, which is stack frames. What does it mean? You will just remember, it stores a function call information. You'll get to know in a while. Whereas heap memory stores actual objects such as list, dictionaries, strings, class instances, etc. So now I'll explain. So this is a function. Here the function name is info, and it is have it when it is called, a name is assigned to the name variable Satya is assigned, and to the age variable 22 is assigned. So whenever this code is executed within a memory, so I told you there are stack and heap, right? This function call will store in a stack. This name, just a reference, store in a stack. This age will store in a stack. This function call also stores in a stack. So these all are just references, not actual values. These all will be stored in a stack. Whereas this Satya, which is an actual value, that will be stored in a heap, and this name will point to here. And age 22 will store, this is an actual value, and that will store in heap. So heap will store actual values. If you see the definition again, stack memory stores function call information, whereas heap memory stores actual objects. So here stack stores just the references, just the names, but heap stores actual values. And another one, stack memory exists only during function execution. Heap memory objects remains until no reference exists. So this is how stack memory and heap memory in Python works. Stack stores references, just names or function calls, whereas heap actually stores the objects. So this is the end of course. I assume that you really enjoyed this course and learned a lot of stuff and new stuff. Attend the 4 quizzes that I have provided along with this course. So just practice them, and if you have any doubts, you can just ask me in my Instagram. You can just comment to this course if possible. And if you want any explanation for the any question in quiz have given, just ask me in my Instagram channel, which is Instagram channel is the Matrix of Satya. So go and ask me there, just DM me. I'll explain that particular question. Like if I get a lot of responses, if I get a lot of DMs about the quizzes, then I'll take a separate sections to explain all the 4 quizzes. I'll take 4 sections to explain all the 4 quizzes, so that you can just understand everything clearly. So thank you for watching this course. I hope you like this course. Thank you. This is the end of course. Python Uncovered, the end. Bye.